On the sidelines of the Quad meet, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with US President Joe Biden, Australian PM Anthony Albanese and Japanese PM Fumio Kishida attended the Cancer Moonshot event. Quadrilateral Cancer Moonshot Initiative was launched by Quad leaders to prevent, detect, treat and alleviate the impact of cervical cancer. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a special fund to fight against the cervical cancer. PM Modi said Quad has decided to jointly tackle challenges of cervical cancer.
यह एफोर्डेबल, एक्सेसिबल और क्वालिटी हेल्थ केयर के लिए हमारे साझे दृढ़ निश्चय को दर्शाता है। एक्सेलेंसी, भारत अपना एक्सपीरियंस और एक्सपर्टाइज शेयर करने के लिए तैयार है। आज कैंसर केयर में काम करने वाले भारत के कई एक्सपर्ट्स इस इवेंट्स में हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं। भारत का विजन है वन अर्थ वन हेल्थ। इसी भावना से मैं क्वाड मूनशॉट इनिशिएटिव के तहत $7.5 मिलियन के सैपलिंग किट्स, डिटेक्शन किट्स और वैक्सीन का सहयोग देने की घोषणा करता हूं।
The Prime Minister further said that India will also cooperate in radiotherapy treatment and capacity building and announced another fund for vaccine doses in the Indo-Pacific region.
मुझे खुशी है कि इंडो पैसिफिक देशों के लिए गावी और क्वाड की पहलों के अंतर्गत भारत से 40 मिलियन वैक्सीन डोसेज का योगदान दिया जाएगा। ये 40 मिलियन वैक्सीन डोसेज करोड़ों लोगों के जीवन में आशा की किरणें बनेगी। As you can see, when the Quad acts, it is not just for nations, it is for the people. This is the true essence of our human-centric approach. धन्यवाद।
While India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi met US President Joe Biden on the margins of the Quad summit, Prime Minister Modi was welcomed by Biden at his residence and both the leaders shared a warm gesture. Prime Minister conveyed his appreciation for the unparalleled contributions made by President Biden in giving impetus to the India-US partnership. Both the leaders had discussions focusing on ways to further deepen the bilateral partnership in areas of mutual interest. Leaders exchanged views on global and regional issues, including the Indo-Pacific region and beyond. While leaving the Biden's residence following the talks, both leaders expressed confidence in the strength and continuing resilience of the relationship. Sharing pictures on X, Prime Minister Modi thanked Biden for hosting him at his residence in Greenville, Delaware. He termed the talks as extremely fruitful as both the leaders had an opportunity to discuss regional and global issues during the meeting. Sharing an emotional post on social media platform X, Biden wrote that each time they sit down, he's struck by their ability to find new areas of cooperation and that today was no different. And India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Australian counterpart Anthony Albanese held bilateral talks on the sidelines of the Quad summit in Delaware. Leaders held talks on several regional and global issues.